Agents of weathering. Earth is mainly composed of rocks that differ in terms of sizes, shapes, and colors. Though rocks seem to be very hard, dense, and indestructible, they still break. The breaking of rocks into fragments is known as weathering. Weathering is an important process that helps shape the Earth's surface. The breaking of rocks results in the formation of soil and different landforms. This is also the reason we have amazing rock formation. Weathering can either be mechanical or chemical. Mechanical weathering. It is the physical wearing away of rocks. Chemical weathering. It involves a change in the composition of rocks that allows them break down into pieces. Agents of weathering. The different agents of weathering includes water, wind, temperature, plants, animals, and people. It causes rocks to break into pieces. Water. Water can break rocks in different ways. The strong waves hitting the rocks can make it break. Water can seep into thick cracks of the rocks. When it gets colder, these water can expand and turn into ice. This can trigger rocks to break as well. Wind. Wind is another agent of weathering that causes many beautiful formations. As the wind blows, it carries sand or small rock particles that scratch the rock's surface. This can bring about mechanical weathering, which can also result to different rock formations. Temperature. When rocks are exposed to varying temperature, it expands. If rocks are exposed to a low temperature, it contracts. The repeated expansion and contraction of rocks due to changes in temperature results in weathering. Plants. Some plants, like lichens, ferns, and misses, can also trigger weathering. It can grow on rocks and cause it to break into pieces. Eventually, metabolic or life process of these plants will cause the gradual breakage of rocks into smaller pieces. Animals. Animals that live underground also contribute to weathering. As burrowing animals dig deeper, they cause rocks to break into pieces too. Humans also contribute to the weathering of rocks. Subdivisions developers use a bulldozer to flatten mountains or hills to build houses. Some construction workers use jackhammer to break boulders of rock as they repair roads. Mining companies extract stones or rocks from a quarry or an open pit mine. Choose the letter of the best answer. 1. An open pit mine where rocks can be extracted. A. Landfill. B. Open field. C. Reservoir. D. Quarry. Answer: D. Quarry. 2. What do you call the process by which humans extract stones from the mountains for construction purposes? A. Weathering. B. Flattering. C. Quarrying. D. Digging. Answer: C. Quarrying. 3. It is the breaking down of rocks into fragments. A. Erosion. B. Flooding. C. Runoff. D. Weathering. Answer: D. Weathering. 4. A type of weathering that involves change in the composition of rock. A. Chemical. B. Mechanical. C. Both chemical and mechanical. D. None of the above. Answer: A. Chemical. 5. What will happen to a rock when it is exposed to higher temperature? A. Contracts. B. Evaporates. C. Expands. D. Sinks. Answer. C. Expands.